What is up with the YouTubes? Quattro for Live here. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick video, a few clips from this morning playing with the rolling anti-lag. If you watch my VEMS launch control tutorial, that will help you understand how the circuit in my car works, because that's basically what I'm using for rolling anti-lag. There actually isn't a setting under the motorsport where you can find launch control, the shift cut and all that I've got on my ECU. So what I've done is I've basically taken the parameters of the launch control and changed them so they will work from a roll. So the goal is like start out 40 mile an hour second gear, so it's just over 4,000 RPM. So I've basically brought the launch control max RPM down to just over 4,000. The clutch switch that I have hooked up to the relay, it's very sensitive. If you hear me, I'm pressing the clutch now. Hear that click? That click is the relay turning on, grounding the circuit, but all I'm doing is there's a tiny little bit of travel in the clutch pedal where you barely press it down before it starts to disengage the clutch. It turns the relay on before you actually press the clutch to disengage it. So it's not like I'm disengaging the clutch and then hitting the launch control from a roll and then dumping the clutch. That probably wouldn't be good. You don't want to burn your shit up. But it's all engaged. I'm barely pressing it. It's coming on, and I'm holding the button just like you saw in that second clip. And then the throttle wide open, all the way it can go, and it will basically hold right there. So I've still got it only like 20 psi for the launch control, so that's basically why I would go to 20, and then it would spike after I would let off the button and the clutch to go. But it's really just as simple as that. If you can figure out the launch control, then you're going to have that too. Some people might say, oh, I want both, but right now it's one or the other, because I don't want to launch the car right now until I can get the the boost by gear going, and so I can put down less power in first gear. And then obviously I want to build that differential that I broke already. Definitely want to beef that up for the future, so I can be doing some digs, because I definitely want to do a bunch of drag racing. It's going to be a lot of fun. So just one of the things I wanted to get set up for when the car has some serious turbo lag, so that will definitely help with that. So hope this video helped you out. Hope you appreciate everybody, and hope everybody have a very good day.